In this video, we're going to be talking about whether PU Prime is a scam, because I have got this question a lot in the comments, but from my experience as a professional trader, guys, I would just say this is my favorite broker of all time, and I'm going to explain why. So let's just dive through different websites here today, really discuss why this is the best broker and what the actual community and public thinks of it. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into the video. So this is PU Prime. These guys do sponsor a football team, and you can see here they have multiple regulatory licenses. They can actually service you in over 200 different countries, and they have over 1,000 different trading products, including crypto. As well as that, they do offer their own app for trading. They do have a fantastic copy trading system in which, yes, you can actually just go in there, copy the best traders, make money when they make money. But what does the public think of this? Let's dive through some of these review sites. So here we have Trustpilot. You can see they do have a 4.4 star review, which is incredibly high for Trustpilot. And yes, the reviews are actually glowing here about this company. So good stuff there. Trustpilot is obviously the go-to when it comes to reviewing companies. So that's why I visited this first. We can see here it says about PU Prime. We can see it says, hey, PU Prime is an award-winning CFD broker dedicated to providing traders with access to a wide variety of assets, including Forex, commodities, indices, share, CFDs, bonds, and cryptocurrency as well in certain countries. Now, if we go over to investing.com, basically one of the top tier sites when it comes to reviewing brokers, we can see this person has submitted a 4-star review, and we can just scroll down here and see the pros and cons. So the fast execution is there. They do have very, very modern infrastructure. So even in congested times here, guys, these guys do offer really fast trading speeds, and I do love that, right? We've also got low cost trading conditions, diverse account type offering, and we do have that mobile and social trading app as well. They also provide lots of education and fundamental tools, so you can actually analyze the assets directly on the platform. The cons of this site are US clients are not accepted, but that's absolutely fine. If you are someone that travels or someone that isn't from the US, I mean, this is going to be the go-to broker, as it is for me. Next, we have Hello Safe. We can see here this was submitted in June, and we scroll down here, we have a bunch of different things. So here we can see spreads from 0 pips, and we can actually go to the site here and I'll show you some of these spreads here. Gold right now is trading at a 0.5 spread. So that's just an example. If you go to any other broker right now, gold will not be this low in terms of spread. So yes, this is just a great example of that. As well as that, it's highlighting all of the other things we've already mentioned. So we've got all of the trading instruments. We've got MetaTrader 4, 5, their own app and web trader, and the leverage here is up to 1,000x on countries outside of Canada. So that's something that's fantastic. Now, the cons here are that no Canadian securities account and occasional reported issues with withdrawals and stop loss triggering. But every broker is going to get these, so that's absolutely fine. And overall, I think this is a gleaming review, and just like the other reviews here, guys, everyone loves PU Prime. Now, if we go to WikiFX, we can see they scored an 8.34 out of 10, which is a ridiculously high score for a broker, considering these are a slightly newer broker compared to the top dogs. So the fact that they've scored so high here is ridiculously good. And we can see here, they got an 8.24 on license, 8.24 on regulation, business at 7, risk control at 8.2, and software at 9.99. So getting a software score of basically 10 here is ridiculous. That basically means their software has no room for improvement, and I would actually attest to that because I have their app. It is incredibly good, intuitive, and easy to use. Next, we have FX Empire, where they have scored a 4.3, and you can see, yes, everything else similar to the other sites is really, really good. So their take on PU Prime here, we can see they've mentioned a lot of the stuff we've already talked about with all of the commodities you can trade and cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds. You've got MetaTrader 4 and 5 here, etc., etc. However, it does say that it has slow execution speeds, but personally, in my opinion, guys, I don't agree with this. For me, and just like all the other reviews we talked about here today, the execution speeds are ridiculously fast on PU Prime, even when the market is super congested. And finally, we we have Broker's View. These guys have scored an 8.7 on this with 166 different reviews. They have shown all of their different licenses here, and yes, we can see 8.7s across the board on all of these scores. So that's business scope, trading costs, trading platforms, and support. And one thing I will say about their support, guys, they do reply incredibly quickly, super helpful, and any small issues I've had on the platform, these guys have solved it within a matter of minutes. So good stuff there. But that is PU Prime. Definitely check them out in the description, guys, because these guys are completely legit. I would say they are 100% not a scam, and I've been using them for a few years now, and I've had no issues whatsoever. So when it comes to trading speeds, absolutely fantastic. When it comes to low spreads, yes. When it comes to withdrawals, really, really quick as well. And regulation just allows you to access the platform from over 200 different countries. So good stuff there. And that's just a few of the things. I mean, we haven't talked too much about copy trading here, but copy trading is one of the prime flagships of the platform, and it's one of the best features out there. I take a section of my portfolio and I give it to some of these traders, and yes, they don't have access to withdraw the money or anything. It's simply just a copy button, similar to following someone on X. And then, yes, when they take a trade, you take a trade. When they make money, you make money as well. So good stuff there. But that is PU Prime. The conclusion here for this video is no, it is absolutely not a scam. If you do want to check it out in the description. This is absolutely my favorite broker on the internet right now, and I've used hundreds of brokers. So that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.